welcome back for another adventure. Today we're in the Allegheny National Forest in Pennsylvania. And we're joined by Chris and Bill from Journey Beyond Overland. Come along as we head out of camp here to go meet up with some great people for the OnX Off-Road Allegheny National Forest Road 259 cleanup, where we're going to go clean up along that route and the campsites along it. And we'll also end up coming back down to where this campsite is on Forest Road 365, cleaning up a good area of it.
You want to follow him down? Have you guys been here before? So if you want to follow him down, there's a parking lot down there, there's a bathroom down there. We'll meet down there. There's overlook, which overlooks the Quincy Reservoir and the dam. So if you want to go down there, we'll meet down there, and it'll give you guys the opportunity to go walk that and see it for the first time if you want to do that. We've got some other guys coming, so all right. Thanks.
How's it going? Alright, we're here in the Allegheny National Forest up by Jake's Rocks, getting ready to do a cleanup event. Gonna go around and clean up some campsites and everything. Gonna walk around here and show you what all we got here so far. Got this nice Mojave. Chris and Bill with Journey Beyond. There we are.
Just further up above us, it came down.
Got this nice Sierra. Got Mid-Atlantic Off-Road, OnX, Destination Adventure, Yeah, you get out of the trees and it opens you up right up to the wind, huh?
It sure does. Taking the drift scare.
Ow. That was the beating that you heard.
Ball caps, I got air fresheners. I got some different types of bumper stickers.
Yes, yes. Everybody's looking to see what you're doing, and if they're on the camera or not.
As you can see, we hauled out all kinds of stuff from there. Come down here to put the garbage bags in the dumpster, and then the rest of the scrap was getting hauled off. All I can say is, please don't do this if you're in the forest, because it's just completely uncalled for that amount of stuff to just be out there in the wilderness. It's just not even right. After heading into town and hanging out for a while and getting some appetizers, a few of us decided we was going to head out and go exploring and see if we could find a nice campsite for the night so we could stay the night in the forest.
Well, this is camp for the night. Everybody's setting up, getting things ready to roll. Good morning. It's a nice brisk morning at camp. Everybody's up and moving around, getting things ready so we can get ready to pack up and head on out and see where the adventure leads today. Nice spot sitting here. It was a very nice starry night. It was a good time out here. Good people. Here at the Tionesta Lighthouse Park Place. Me and Grandma's taking a walk here, following Chris and Bill with Journey Beyond Overland, hanging out for the day. Got the lighthouse back there behind us. Going down here to check out the Statue of Liberty. She's gonna need some hip waders next.
He's got some, but she'll never bring them.
Almost never bring them. At least I have my buckets on today. Doing it in sandals.
Kind of hard to believe that there's usually a road going through there, but that bridge is almost completely underwater. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay up to date with all of our videos. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you on our next adventure.